So my name's Naledi. I'm a final year aerospace engineering student and I'm in level 6. So I was actually in sixth form. I was actually studying maths, biology and chemistry, so not the typical engineering subjects. However, I was actually at an engineering sixth form, which is quite different to what I've been used to. But actually having come here, I've realised that this is actually a place for me. I chose this course because actually it's my brother that got me into engineering. So he's a senior mechanical engineer. So actually looking at him as kind of like my influence got me into engineering. I actually hit apply for aerospace engineering because when I actually looked at the course modules, it seemed really exciting to actually have the opportunity to go into placement year, taking the time to actually learn more about maths, engineering, science, and just specifically about the principles of aerospace. But yeah, so Wolverhampton, I'd say it's a very good university. I do enjoy it here. What feels more futuristic within aerospace is the chance to actually develop new ideas and like new solutions. Engineering itself is always changing. It's very innovative, so things are always changing, and no day is the same, which is what I actually do like about engineering itself. And there's so many opportunities. Like if you think about probably like 10 years from now, how the future will look like, it's quite amazing to think about the opportunities, what it will be like. So to be part of something at the start now and potentially trying to see what the projects will be at the end, it's fascinating, and I'd say it's quite rewarding. I'd say I first belonged to it when I got an internship. I say this because getting an internship is so competitive. Coming from Wolverhampton as well, competing with other universities, you do realise like the standards and the competitiveness. But Wolverhampton did actually provide me a lot of support when I was actually applying. The pastoral team, they were really lovely. And the careers team. But yeah, I'd say when I actually got an internship, going into industry, and then coming back to university as my final year, has made me feel like, do you know what, I can actually do this, and I am actually working to become an engineer. Yeah. In 5 years, I'd hope that I'm actually in a global company, to have the chance to work towards chartership, improve my own professional development, and actually being confident in myself as an engineer, understanding that it's okay to make mistakes, but actually learning from those, always continue to challenge myself, which is something that I love to do, and actually help people that are starting up. So I'd love to have responsibilities as well as being able to be a role model for future engineers.